Experience healing, deliverance, fellowship, and fun, all in one day. Ladies, are you ready for the Life in the Spirit Women in Teen Conference 2015? Who is the daughter, sister, or friend that you've been praying for? Don't let them miss out on this event. First Lady Vanessa Harsley and the women of Grace New Covenant Church invite you to come and to bring a friend. Join us for one day of power-packed sessions led by dynamic speakers. There will be 2 session tracks with relevant worship